Hi everybody, welcome back to LBS. This is the 18th edition of our show now.
भाई काफ़ी दिन से हम गायब हैं. I think we've been lazy a little bit after the.
And there's been too much happening. It's been too much, yeah. There's been too much going on. Karachi living is, very hectic now. कुछ ना कुछ हो ही रहा होता है, कोई ना कोई प्लान बन रहा होता है. You hardly get the time out to just sit away from everything you do. And plus I think वो हमारे events के दिन बहुत ही कुछ लंबा हो गया. मैं अच्छा okay. Anyways, so what should we talk about today? What's going on?
Well, the first thing अभी just recently जो नवाज शरीफ का जो topsy-turvy game चल रही है.
The pullback, the great Gajja pullback.
It was, I don't know if it might be a tactical move on his part. He didn't want PPP to take all the credit.
The credit for what? I mean, he's always been about the 17th Amendment and ye karo, wo karo, and now when the time has come to actually do it, now he wants to just pull away from that. Why?
He didn't want to give all the credit to PPP.
Or he got a phone call from somebody.
That's what he said. उसने खुद स्टेटमेंट दी कि मुझे कोई फोन कॉल नहीं. वो gone are days.
No, don't you think that, I mean, PMLN has taken two large hits on the popularity, especially with the Shehbaz Sharif
उसके बाद ये है, and I think it's going to hurt them. And PPP is winning on a note के.
And PPP is now more on a positive note because of the NFC awards, which they negotiated quite smoothly, and then they're going for the 17th Amendment rebellion as well. And so happens that दूसरी तरफ पकाया.
It's interesting that ये जो corrupt Zardari image था, he is doing all that, but at the same time he is making inroads into something that has never been achieved in Pakistan. So somehow for the past 2-3 weeks, people have started realizing कि इसको पास पूरी करना है. दो.
अभी 3 तो हो गए ना?
हाँ?
3 तो हो गए.
2-2.5 तो हो गए.
हाँ.
वो उसमें I think it just needs people have gained confidence कि कुछ कर देगा.
I think this government is going to last 5 years.
It has to. I believe जितना मैं पीछे बहुत antagonist था इसके खिलाफ, I still am, but the issue I think democracy को 5 साल देना पड़ेगा.
What other option do we have? There's this guy saying that तालिबान जो है वो पंजाब को ना मारो, पंजाब को ना मारो, जहाँ मर्जी है मारो, हमको ना मारो.
I think that was.
I think इतने mature, ठीक है, और इतने mature political leader को ऐसा statement नहीं देना चाहिए.
जज्बात आप जैसे स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं उसमें आपने ये कहा कि वो कहा पंजाब को खुश करके, और ये and then सलमान तासीर ने literally 2 hours later he was saying all.
सलमान तासीर को तो मौका चाहिए ना बेचारे को यार, वो तो कब से पिट रहा है, तो he was like now it's my turn to give a little slap on the ass. And what about cricket? Cricket में जो हुआ है, I mean
7 लोगों को बाहर फेंका.
मोहम्मद यूसुफ ने तो रिटायरमेंट की
आज ही दे दी. 7 लोगों को बाहर फेंका, सबको तो वापस ले लिया तकरीबन. एक को प्रेसिडेंशियल अवार्ड दे दिया, दो को
मोहम्मद यूसुफ और यूसुफ. एक तरफ आप उनको पूरी जिंदगी के लिए बाहर करते हो और दूसरी तरफ प्रेसिडेंशियल अवार्ड देते हो. Although their achievements are great, मगर कुछ कंसिस्टेंसी कहाँ है? मतलब क्या हो रहा है?
You think it was just a slap on Ijaz Butt?
No, I think हाँ, it might have been जो है a kick in the ass, not a slap for Ijaz Butt. You know what the hell are you doing? But I think the PCB was right in doing what it did, because अगर तुमने ऑस्ट्रेलिया का टूर देखा हो तो there are certain clips जो फुटेज में अब YouTube पे भी आ गई है कि हमारे जो है एक साहब बॉल पकड़ते हैं और वो बैट्समैन इतना बाहर है and he doesn't knock the bails off.
And you know what, when it happened, I said कि discipline होना चाहिए. You have to establish team discipline, but at the same time you forget Shoaib Akhtar, है ना, you forget Mohammad Asif, dope scandal, है ना. These are people who should have been thrown out, chucked out the moment you see this discipline. So अगर ये 7 लोग निकाले गए, the precedence in the back was bad also.
तो सब बोले यूनुस खान इतना अच्छा है, यूनुस खान ये यूनुस खान तो था भी नहीं.
Yes, we are at a downhill.
हाँ.
Throw him all out. Get a new crop.
जब इंतजाम कैप्टन था यूनुस खान क्या कर रहा था? मैं नहीं बनूंगा कैप्टन, कितनी बार उसने डिजर्ट किया आपकी मुल्क को यार. तो I mean, but I don't still see the reason for chucking Yunus Khan out forever. I don't get it.
Just आपस में, I agree with you.
I get the Afridi man. I totally get the Kamran Iqbal Umar.
दोनों भाई को निकालो.
हाँ, मेरे भैया नहीं खेलेंगे तो मैं नहीं खेलूँगा. वो भी बैन बाहर निकाला, but उनको भी वापस ले लिया. क्या हो क्या रहा है, मतलब ये इस तरह किस तरह चलेगा? अब आप एक आदमी बॉल काटता है पूरी दुनिया के सामने, he bites the ball, आप उसको T20 कैप्टन बना।
फैसलाबाद आपको याद है? फैसलाबाद में उसे खड़े होकर स्पिन लट्टू स्पिन मारा था ऑन द पिच ऑन द डेंजरस पॉइंट।
लोग क्या सोचेंगे हमारे बारे में, मतलब हमने उसको कैप्टन बना दिया T20।
You know what? I think the entire all seven should be taken out. Replace with new crop. We are at the lowest of lowest in cricket. It is ज़्यादा से क्या होगा, we'll go lower, worst के साथ।
और क्या होगा?
और क्या होगा? ज़्यादा से, and then their hope if you can build a team for the next year or so, because you can't plan for now. आज की टिकट जीतनी है, मे बी a year so from now get new blood in, उनको साइकिल करते रहो।
And I'll tell you something, our under-19 team has enough talent to represent Pakistan on an international level. तो आप अगर आप समझ रहे हो, एक साल, मुझे नहीं लगता एक साल भी लगेगा, अगर आप खुले दिल से लड़कों को चांस दो तो।
दूसरा
अच्छा, now let us tell our viewers what you really have been doing for the past 2 weeks.
We all have been busy trying to organize a Word Camp Pakistan. This is the first time we're going to mention it on air. There are a couple of people who are taking part: Abid, Diri, Sarfraz Khan, Shaista, Sana Salim, and a lot of people. ये हमने सिर्फ एक छोटा सा core group बनाया ताकि just getting it kick started.
Jahan Ara is there as well.
Yeah.
And what the initial plan is, and this was Awab Alvi's idea, that we hold a sort of like a seminar for people who do not have a clue about blogging, okay? And to introduce them to blogging and maybe act as a refresher course for most of the bloggers. Basically a day-long session,
a little techie session
of different speakers.
Not only a tweet up, but more than a tweet up.
More like workshop. Different workshops in the day explaining the different facets.
Like how to photoblog and how to be effective in photoblogging. And just now,
how to get a corporate sponsor, how to start your own blog.
उस सारे में एक चीज़ मैं बोलिया, how to make money.
How to make money blog.
है ना? That is हम categories हम सोच रहे थे all day 40-45 एक घंटे के sessions करेंगे. And we had divided that categories up into 7 or 8. I think we forgot एक चीज़ अभी याद आई, how to make money blogging. Because that is also important when you're blogging, you're passionate.
I will give the young people an incentive to come and blog. So when do you think that you'll be able to tell us?
We are about planning for the 23rd of May. That's about the date that we're doing. आजकल हमने sponsorships के लिए start कर रहे हैं, trying to generate money. We would like to minimize the.
हाथ फैलाए हुए अपने. इधर हाथ फैला रहे.
And Word Camp itself is an international event hosted all over the world. So we are.
Has it ever been attempted or done in Pakistan?
It has not. It is the first time that we would hopefully do it, and we would invite all our bloggers, and we'd probably invite a lot of people from Islam.
And plus our group sessions that we are holding for like input on this thing are pretty open.
Yeah.
So I mean, anybody who's watching this can contribute.
Yeah. I think after this show, we'd also make that list a little bit public.
Yeah.
Because अभी सिर्फ हम इसलिए close किए because एक initial idea होता है, if we hype it up too soon, it just fizzles out right away. So I think we've got our sponsorship package ready.
Like what happened to the blog awards? मुझे तो समझ नहीं आया.
I think Rabi, I talked to Rabi. I think they're going to probably do something near the Manu Date. That's what I think. They've not forgotten. That's
still on.
That's still on.
So that will be followed by Word Camp. So we'll have a nice calendar of events.
And I think Word Camp का plan हमारा इंशाल्लाह ये होना चाहिए कि let's do it here, and maybe move it to Lahore, maybe move it to Islamabad, and rotate that in the entire year. I'm sure a lot of people from Lahore and Islamabad can't come, and we're going to invite.
But I think we are going to try to invite speakers from other cities as well.
If the
sponsors kick in, we can maybe fly some people in. Absolutely. Because I think their input would be very valuable.
It can't be possible. If you want to have a Word Camp Pakistan, it can't be possible कि आप कराची, Lahore, Islamabad से लोग ना. You have to have a team of people representing all across Pakistan. But the only pending issue is sponsors kicking, and we would float that.
भाई बस तो यार अच्छी चीज करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं.
We would float that sponsorship package to our viewers, and we hope कि आप लोग भी थोड़ा pitching करें. We have open commitments right now, but not strong commitments. I think that wraps up our show.
That pretty much does it. Yeah.
I think we want to keep it short and sweet, 10 minutes. I hope it's 10 minutes. Twitter.com/latebackshow and latebackshow.com. That's the party here. Dr. Babal signing out from the 18th.
Have a good weekend, guys.